Hi guys, welcome back. It's Vicky. We're going to do a very quick unboxing of the Ikea Duktig 8-piece little stemware set. I've seen this before in clear colors, but I was only able to find the multicolor at Ikea recently. I actually don't have the price pulled up, but I believe it's under $10. I'll put it in the comments. This is a plastic set. I need to find plates for my kids' play kitchen, but this is adorable. Just a quick little unboxing of these. It's nice that way if there are, you know, multiple children, you can do color coordinated tea time or lunchtime. I also just like the normal Ikea actual tableware, which comes in the rainbow set and is super affordable, that I may just grab one of those to use in our play kitchen. That way they can be interchangeable between real kitchen, play kitchen. But quick dimension of these. The stemware is about 3.5 tall, just shy of 2 inches wide. It looks like the cup is pretty much the same, you know. The dimension is about 2 inches, 1 3/4. Yeah, 1 3/4. Yeah, it seems pretty similar. Arguably the I don't know how to, so the wine glass and the little tumbler seems a little thicker at the base, and that's perfectly fine. So anyway, all right, that's all for that one. Thanks.